Hi, welcome to my channel. Yeah, so before in this video, we'll discuss about JBoss WildFly installation on Linux machine. So before going to this, I would like to say about Windows mission. So I have created 3 videos about JBoss installation and management user creation and the deployment. So if you have a time, just please go through with this. And now, yeah, we'll come to here. So this will demonstrate on Linux machine. Okay. So for that, uh, we'll go to the AWS console. This is my AWS management console. So currently I don't have any EC2 instances. So this is I have terminated before. So we'll launch the new instance. Okay. So free tire, click on free tire, and then we'll go to the AWS Amazon Linux machine. And coming to here, so the minimum requisite for the infra level system for JBoss and WildFly is 4 GB RAM and 2 cores are required. So anyway, I will go with 1 GB RAM and 1 core CPU. Okay, no problem. But you will get application slowness once we did some deployments, and some latency will be there, but anyway, no problem. Application access and the request serving as well. And if you want to choose, you can choose this one, T2 medium. Okay. So for now, I'm going with T2 micro, and then configure instance details, and then I need only one instance now, and then we'll add the storage here. The by default we'll get the 8 gig of the disk space, the root volume, and then click on tags. We don't have any tags, we don't require as of now. We'll do the latter and configure security groups. So by default SSH will be there, and then custom all TCP, and then anywhere I will do, and then custom HTTPS. Okay, so for now these three enough, and then we'll review and launch. Okay, click on launch. So but if I have some keys here, so I will choose AWS key, launch instance. Okay, my instance is getting launched. Okay, with the logs, so all checks are completed. View on instances. Okay, so this is still pending state. Just hit the refresh button. It will, yeah, it is running state. Okay, I will just rename it to the WildFly. Okay, so here I would like to say some introduction about the WildFly. So this is my cheat sheet, JBoss WildFly installation deployment on Linux machine. Okay, so JBoss, we are having EAP level infra, like enterprise application platform. Enterprise level application we can deploy here. So EAP 4, 5, 6, 7 version. I think after 8, JBoss EAP 8, we don't have JBoss. So after that, we have WildFly only. So WildFly is nothing but it's just upgrade version of the JBoss. Okay. So WildFly is nothing but the JBoss application server AS version, not EAP. Okay. So just assume that JBoss upgrade version is nothing but WildFly. There is nothing different, and total the same structure, same file structure, everything will be there. Okay. So this is all about the WildFly. So let me, I think my instance is ready. Okay, my instance is ready. Let me connect to this instance with the help of public IP. This is my public IP. Okay, so let me copy here, and let me choose uh, this is my, mobile extern is there. Mobile extern is nothing but it's a SSH client. Okay, so we have putty and so many clients is there, so but we'll go with mobile extern. See here, sessions, SSH, click on the public IP of that particular host and specify the username. So by default, EC2-user. Okay. So in the advanced settings, you need to choose the private key. So private key is nothing but the AWS key, which I have chosen while the installation, launching the instance. Okay, so here we no need to convert into the ppk. Okay, direct you can choose a pem file. Okay, click on okay. So now, yeah, this is my instance. Okay, so let me increase the font size. Okay, so let me jump into the root. Okay, so this is my machine. So we have around 6.5 space on root volume. Okay, so then opt, since we are working with the third party tools, right, just go to the opt directory here. Yeah, we are good now. Okay, so before going to start the WildFly installation, just check any updates are there. Yum, update -y. Yeah, better to update the system for any packages. See, we did some package installation here. Updates are completed. So now, uh, under opt, we'll create some directory called vsminds. Okay, vsminds. Just log into here. Okay. So now we are good. So before going to install WildFly on the machine, we need Java mandatory. Okay. So for that, let me check whether Java is there or not. For the Java hyphen. Okay. So we don't have Java here. See which Java. Okay. We don't know. There is no Java here. So first we'll install Java. So yum install Java hyphen 1.8. So yeah, it okay. Pass the s. 1 point is nothing. 1.8 is not one. It's a stable version, so better to choose the stable version for any kind of application installation and any kind of server installations. Okay, we'll go with 1.8. It will take some time. So after installing Java, then we'll directly install WildFly, and then some basic settings basic configuration we need to perform in the machine. After that, user creation, and then management user creation, and then when you start the server, JBoss server, and then admin console access, and finally we do some deployments. Okay, so simple and straight, and it's a simple and straight, pretty forward, and yeah, still Java is almost we are done out of 89, 88 completed. Yeah, Java installation completed, all packages. So we'll check the Java version here. Yeah, JDK runtime environment 1.8. Okay, we are good with JDK, and the JDK home path is which Java? So this is the JDK home path. Okay, we are done with the JDK part, and then so we'll click on we'll download the WildFly version. Okay, we have created the folder structure here, and we need to download the WildFly package now. Okay, so for that, wget is nothing but I think so w for the World Wide Web, and get means we are getting some packages from there. So for that we need the URL link, WildFly download. Just click on here, go to the WildFly organization. So here just go to the current version is 26.0.1. So Jan 21 2022. So but anyway, as I said, just go with the stable versions 20 final. This is 2020. Okay, so Java WE full and web and distribution. This I will choose. Click on tar bundle, copy the URL. So here wget, just enter the URL. This is how you need to download the WildFly package from the WildFly organization website. around it will be, yeah, 1 gig is it, the package. Sorry, 183 MB only. Okay, so now we have completed we just downloaded the WildFly package from the WildFly organization. Okay, just untar it, tar iPhone chat xvf, and this. Okay, this is the tar bundle, just we are going to untar it. Okay, see here, so this is the final. Just rename it for our so our internal sake. I just rename it to the just simply WildFly. Okay, yeah, I have WildFly here. Just go to the WildFly. So this is the directory structure of the WildFly: applicant and bin and docs and domain and the modules and standalone and welcome content. Okay, so bin is nothing but the startup scripts, and the domain are two types of mode there in the JBoss and WildFly. So standalone and domain mode. If you have multiple structure, it's a big environment, means you can choose with the domain as well as you can choose standalone as well. Okay, no problem. Yeah, this is WildFly. Okay, so we need to do some basic configurations here. We'll go to the standalone and then configuration, and then here in the standalone dot, once again guys, so in this video I'm just installing with the standalone mode itself. Okay, CPI for now, just take the for any kind of configuration file update, just take the backup. This is a good habit while you are working in production environment. And see here, so I have taken the backup of this standalone.xml. In the standalone.xml, we need to update the private key of this particular machine. Okay, this is my machine which I am running here. So this is the private IP. See, this is 172.31.25.234. So this is my private IP. So okay, choose here standalone.xml. Okay, just almost go to the bottom of the file, where you will find something called see here, WSDL host. See here, by default 120.0.0.1 is there. So here you need to update the private IP of this particular EC2 instance here, and then wherever you find 127.0.0.1, I believe there is a three places. One more, yeah, this is 1, 2, and this is a 3. Okay, let me update here. Okay, first of all, take the private IP here. Yeah, we did copy here. Click on insert mode. That's it. And then second place is nothing but, see, yeah, this is the one. And then finally we need to update here inet address value, and this is inet address value. Wherever you'll find inet address value and the WSDL host. See, this is a WSDL host. These three places you need to update the private IP of this particular machine. Okay, see here, you will get the updated version. See, okay. Okay, now we are good, I think. Yeah, you're pretty good. And then we need to create the management user, and then yeah, let me go back into the, yeah, for now we did the installation, we did the download of this particular tar file, and then this is done, and standalone configuration also done. Yeah, we'll create the user. So for that we need to move into the WildFly and bin. So currently we have, oh yeah, just 2 step back. WildFly and then bin. See here. This is the file. With the help of this file, you can create the management user. It will ask, yeah, see here, management user or application user. We'll go with the management user. Select option A and username is yes mind and give the password, and once again just pass enter. Yes, yes, that's it. Okay, so we are good for now. Okay, now we'll have created the this machine. Sorry, we have created the user, and the final step is we need to start the server. Okay, so for that, go to the bin directory. See here, this is a file standalone data set. That's it. Hit the button. Okay. So server is getting started here. So this is the home directory, and just go through the log file. This is a log. So this, yeah, my server is started, and JBoss is started and listening on this particular port. Okay, this is private IP. Definitely, it will show the private IP, and but while accessing, we need to access with the public IP. Okay, so this is a public IP, and the default port is for JBoss admin console. See, this is two types of admin consoles is there. So one is JBoss, sorry, WildFly admin console, which is running on 8080, and the management port and the these things are will be there in the 9990. Okay, let me see. This is HTTP, and there's a public IP, and then 8080. See, this is a welcome to WildFly. See, this is a WildFly homepage. See here, administration console. We need to log in with the administration console. Here we need to enter the credentials while we created here with the help of add user dataset file, right? Yeah. Enter VS Minds. This is my username and the password is see. Yeah, this is my brand new WildFly console. This is a home page, and this is deployments. We don't have any deployments here. This is a configuration, and this is runtime, and this is patching, access control. Now only at the only 6 tabs will be there. Okay, so file configuration, this is for setup any external setups, and this is for deployment, application deployments, database configurations. Here we'll do this, and then this is runtime is server restart. This is the home page. Okay, we'll get everything here. Okay, so for now in this video we'll do the deployments, and okay, so we'll do the deployments. In the next video we'll see about the data source creation, uh, JDBC connections, etc. Okay, so we don't have any deployments here. Okay, I have some ER files here. WildFly. So yeah, I have some ER files. Let me, yeah, two types of deployments will be there. So one is I think three types is there. So for now I will show here with the help of admin console, and the second one is um, command line. Okay, just we need to copy in the standalone and deployments path. This is one type of deployment, and the first one is admin console. Okay, let's see here. Choose upload the deployment file. Go to the choose here, WildFly, and then this is ER file. Okay, open, next, that's it, finish. Just simple and pretty straightforward. Upload successfully, view deployment. Okay, see here. So this is my deployment. Okay, now how we can access the page. Okay, this is hello world first. In the deployment we had two applications deployed. This is hello world first and this is hello world second. Okay, see here, by default it will choose the uh, private IP here. So instead of private IP we need to select the public IP. Okay, eventually it will show page site cannot be reached, so you need to use the public IP. See, this is hello world second. This is my application. Instead of private IP, you need to choose the public. See, hello world second. What about first? Yes, this is my application. Yeah, we are good with this deployments. Okay, if you have AR file, you can download, you can so you can deploy here. So we with the help of admin console, see here, application disable, replace, and then deploy. Okay, if I want to disable, successfully disabled. Okay, now you don't, yeah, 404 you will get. Okay, now if you want to enable, you can enable here. But application is online now. Yeah, this is how you need to disable and enable the application. Okay, so this is the first method. You need to perform the deployments usually in production environment, so better, that's your choice, admin console or else in the command line. Okay, so now we'll do the deployments with the help of second method called, just we need to copy. Yeah, server is down, let me start the server now, standalone. But before each and every deployments, it is better to restart the server. Okay, in order to clear the application, in order to clear the temp and catch files. See here, started sub deployments, we did some, see here, log file analysis is a good habit. Enterprise hello world.tr file deployment of starting, this is hello world second. See here, deployed, here it is completed, deployed the ER file. Okay, so admin console is up and running. And so we'll do the second method of this deployment. Take the public IP. Let me start. EC2 -user. Here I will show the log file on the live while performing any application or deployments. Okay. Okay, now I have logged into another session with the help of same machine. Go to the sudo to root and then opt and then vs-minds and then WildFly and then standalone and then deployments. See, there is no deployment packages here. Yeah, here we'll download from the internet something, ER file we had downloaded, right? ER file we had deployed here, and we'll deploy some sample WAR file. Okay, Okay, this is how we need to download here. So see guys, now we are in standalone and deployments folder. What are the WAR file or ER file we just copied here into this path, and this application is deployment is completed successfully. That's it. Until unless if you have any issues with the ER file and the WAR file, it will throw some error in the logs. See here, we are live, we are monitoring in the logs while doing the application deployment. See here, I'm just getting downloaded. Sorry, with the help of wget, I've just download this WAR file here. See sample that WAR file here. Yes, I'm done. Sample that WAR file is copied here. Okay. See here, log file is getting deployed. Sample that WAR file. This is how you need to monitor the logs while performing any kind of tasks in the environment, real-time environment, especially in production environment. So that if you have any issues with this RAR file or WAR file or ER file, it will throw error here. So that if we got any error here, just check this error and work with the application team. Okay, so now yeah, application is already deployed, and go to the console. See here, just deployments. Yes, just refresh the page. See here, sample that WAR file is live here. Okay, so in order to access the page, see here, once again you need to take the public IP. Okay, so private IP, check with the public IP. Yes, this is my WAR file application page. This is JSP page, and then servlet page. Yeah, this is how you need to perform the deployments. I think we are good. See here, disable, then you won't get page, and then enable, you will get. Okay, see here, deployed, everything was done. Stop deployment, sample that WAR file, and started. Everything will be written in the log file. Okay, so this is how you need to deploy the applications, and you need to undeploy. If you want, you can undeploy. See here, undeploy. Yes, deployment, sample that WAR file successfully removed. So now you don't have any WAR file here related to the sample project. Okay, so this is how you need to perform this application. In the runtime, check here, application server status. Status is server status, means like server is running status. See, in the help of you can restart the server with the help of here itself, restart JBoss server. See here, JBoss server is getting restarted here. Yeah, that's it. JBoss is listening on the console. This is how you need to restart and perform the deployment. Server successfully restarted. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. So if you have any queries, just post me in the chat, so that we'll discuss. So we'll reply on this particular chat. Okay, thanks for watching video.